First, navigate to My Framingham, then click on Students. From here, you're going to click on Register for Courses, then Student Schedule Planner. Select the semester that you're looking to register for and save, then be sure to select Day Division Course Offerings, save and continue. Once you are in Student Schedule Planner, click on Add Course. For each course, click on the Subject drop-down menu to find the appropriate course subject, then click on the Course drop-down menu to find the course number. You will now be able to read the course description. You can then add the course to your courses list. Continue on and add all courses that you're looking to register for the upcoming semester. Once complete, you click the Back button. You will see the courses that you selected listed on the left side of the page. If you have a schedule restriction because you're an in-season athlete, have a work schedule, or are caring for a loved one, you can add breaks so the computer knows to not schedule classes during your break time. As an example, if you're an in-season athlete, you can give the break name Practice, and then you select the time between 4:30 and 11 p.m. on all weekdays, which is the NCAA regulation, and then click Add Break. Now you're going to click on Generate Schedules, and then you can hover over the magnifying glasses of each schedule to see a small representation of what each schedule may look like. If you find a schedule that you like, you can click on View to see it more clearly. To view that schedule, each course will have its identifying information, such as the course registration number or CRN, the subject, course number and section number, the number of seats that are still open, when that class takes place during the week, and what is the specific teaching modality. At the bottom of that page, you will see an image of what the schedule will look like on a weekly basis. Each class is represented in a different color, and each of the blocks will show you who the professor is and what is the location on campus. If this is the schedule that you'd like to proceed with, you're going to click on Send to Shopping Cart. You will then get a confirmation screen. Click Continue. If you have any action items, they will now appear. Click Continue to view. Click on the hyperlink that says Financial Responsibility Agreement to view the details. You will review the document on the right-hand side and then scroll down to the bottom, click Accept Terms and Register, and Save, then click Continue. You will now select the semester for which you are looking to register, and then you will be asked to enter your PIN. This is the number that you will get from your advisor after you have gone to your advising appointment. Please write it down for future reference. Then click Continue. On the next page, you're going to click on Plans, and you will see the schedule planner from your shopping cart. Then you click Add All. Your schedule will now appear on the bottom of the page as pending. Please go ahead and click Submit. You will now see that your courses are officially registered and your schedule is complete.